Hey tech lovers, meet the new Dyson Clean Wash Hygiene, an excellent premium hard floor cleaners. Great for homes with pets and children, but could its premium price tag be a deal breaker? Let's break it all down. What exactly is the Dyson Clean Wash Hygiene? It is one of the most premium hard floor cleaners currently available. It excels at everyday cleaning, removing dust, pet hair, light spills, and grime, while leaving floors looking noticeably cleaner. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and the self-cleaning dock with hot air drying helps keep the rollers fresh and hygienic. Many users praised its sleek design, simple operation, and impressive battery life for daily cleaning routines. It is modern design and build, excellent for daily hard floor maintenance, hygienic self-cleaning and roller drying system, lightweight and easy to push around, and floors dry quickly after cleaning. This floor cleaner will make you realize your floors weren't beige. They were supposed to be white all along. Yeah! Let's now talk about what could be as drawbacks on this floor cleaner. While the Dyson Clean Wash Hygiene offers impressive convenience, it comes with a premium price tag that may be difficult for some buyers to justify. It performs best on everyday dirt, but can struggle with dried-on stains and larger messes. Additionally, it isn't a complete replacement for a vacuum cleaner, especially in homes with carpets. Some users think the price is high compared to rivals, and are unhappy with the struggles of stubborn sticky messes. Edge cleaning isn't perfect, not suitable for carpets, and dirty water tank can be messy to empty. Overall, the Dyson Clean Wash Hygiene is an excellent floor cleaning machine for people who want a quick, hygienic, and effortless way to maintain hard floors. Its cleaning performance, self-cleaning technology, and premium design make daily cleaning much easier. However, the high price, limited carpet functionality, and occasional struggles with stubborn messes prevent it from being perfect. Best for busy households, pet owners, parents, and anyone who wants cleaner floors with less effort. Not ideal for budget-conscious shoppers or anyone expecting a single machine to replace every cleaning tool in the house. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.